And Daredevil Chickens grabbing as many greens as they can. Looks like Upsetting Spaghetti is going to get 2 cubes in his back goal. Upsetting Spaghetti grabbing some more cubes. They get them both at their feet. And all red cubes have been knocked off the posts. Upsetting Spaghetti lifting up, trying to score some more cubes. They get 2 up and in. And it looks like the Daredevil Chickens have a ton of cubes in their robot. With 25 seconds left, they must switch targets. Looks like Upsetting Spaghetti gets even more red cubes. Daredevil Chickens looking like they're lining up. And Daredevil Chickens getting a ton of green cubes into that first goal. It's a lot of points. With 10 seconds left, Upsetting Spaghetti goes for the park, and it looks like they successfully get it. Daredevil Chickens looking to line up, and it looks like they got it as well. Qualification match 65, they have 54,000 W, Big Banana, and their teammate 757858.